Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I started landing paid brand deals and collaborations with under 3,000 followers, plus how I've been growing my audience ever since. If becoming a paid content creator is one of your goals this year, then keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is DIAN, and I used to work at the hospital, and content creation has always been my passion. But now it's turned into my full-time career. I've worked with brands across travel, tech, lifestyle, gotten consistent paid collabs, and built a system that brings in income even when I'm not posting every day. But more than that, I've learned what works, what's a waste of time, and how to build real relationship with brand as a small creator. So here's the step-by-step on how I did it and how you can too. One of the biggest reasons I've been able to land brand deals even when I don't have a lot of followers is because I've been consistently creating high quality content. So I would say you want to focus on one platform that you want to grow your audience. It can be YouTube, it can be Instagram, and we all know that video content has been dominating all type of social medias. And that's why I started using Elevate.io, which is also the sponsor of today's video. It is an online video editor, so I don't have to download or install anything. And as a digital nomad who's constantly on the move, this is a game changer. I can log in from any laptop, access all my footage in the cloud, and edit without carrying around hard drives. This saves me a lot of space because we know how bulky and heavy hard drives can be. But the reason why I recommend Elevate.io is because it's so easy to use even if you're a complete beginner. I know navigating through an editing platform can be really overwhelming, especially if you're a beginner, but the integration here is very straightforward. And if you're working with a brand or an editor, you can just send them an invite link to review your project. So you don't have to export the huge files over and over again. This saved me a lot of time, especially when I'm working with a brand and it needs revisions. So whether you're building your portfolio or working with a brand, having a fast, accessible editing tools makes everything a lot easier. You can try Elevate.io for 1 month for free using my code DIAN HUANG. Right now, they also have an early bird offer for 50% off. So if you're thinking about getting serious with content creation, now is the right time. I'll leave the link and the code below so you can grab that offer before it expires. Before you start reaching out to brands, you want to make sure your online presence is clear and accessible. So here's what I mean. You don't want to keep your social media private. I mean, if you want to start being a creator, why would you private your Instagram account? Brand needs to see your content to consider working with you. It's just like when you're gonna purchase an items. You're not just gonna order something before seeing how the product will look like. So this is the same thing with brands. If they're gonna send you their products, they need to know what type of content that they're gonna get in return. And you wanna make sure that you add your email to the bio. This will make it a lot easier for brands to contact you because from what I realized, most brands will reach out via email and you might think you already have the contact details on your Instagram, but I want to make it really clear that you want to write down your email and put it on your bio. When you view your Instagram, for example, from desktop, that feature isn't really showing. And most of brands' PR team, they filtered influencer and content creators through their laptop, not from their phones. So it will just make it harder for them to find your email. You also want to make sure that your bio is clear. So on my Instagrams, I put Digital Nomad Travel, because that's what people can expect from my content. I shared my experience about being a digital nomad and traveling full-time. So if you're into fashion or beauty, you can put that in your bio. And when I say build a portfolio, you don't necessarily need to go out of your way and build a website where you can upload your photo or video content. Nowadays, your social media is your portfolio. So you can create videos using the products that you're already using or products that you love. This will give brands a clearer idea of what type of content and storytelling that you can do. The next step is to know how much to charge and know your worth. When I first started, I charged $50 for a video and I thought it wasn't bad at all. But when I looked at how much time it took me to script, to film, to edit the video, I realized I was undervaluing my work. Now that I've grown my platform and gained experience, I also learned how to negotiate better. And to be fully transparent right now, here are my rates right now. Obviously, it depends on the different type of deliverables, usage right, and exclusivity. Basically, you want to pick a number when you think it's worth your energy and time. You need to know how long it will actually take for you to create that content, and then price how much you want to charge per hour. If you're not sure how to pitch and negotiate, I actually created a guidebooks that include email templates that have helped me land multiple brand collaboration, free trips, and some other amazing opportunities. I will link it in the description box below. This is totally optional, but if you want a shortcut, you can check the link down below. The next step is to know where to pitch. Don't just wait for brands to find you. Reach out to them. One of the best things I did was to pitch regularly. But you might be wondering, where do you even start? So here are a few platforms that you can use as a micro-influencer. First one is Brands Meet Creators. So this is great for smaller creators, or if you want to do UGC or user-generated content, where you can work with brands without posting on your social media. How it works is you create the video and the brands will post it on their own social media channels. So basically, you're creating an ads for them to use. Next one is Buttermilk. So I'm still testing this website out, but they do have a lot of great brands and it looks promising. Next one is Upwork and Fiverr. And yes, you can actually find gigs on Fiverr and Upwork for content creation, especially for UGC. So what you want to do is just go to Upwork and you can go to browse jobs and then search for content creator. Last but not least is Klook. And this is perfect if you're in the travel niche. So a lot of websites, especially a booking website, they actually have a creator program. So this is also something that you can look into and you can sign up for. And also don't underestimate tagging brands when you post something. Obviously, you only want to tag them when you're actually featuring their product or service in your content. This is a great way to get noticed by a brand and also to get on their PR list. That is how some of my early collaborations started. Honestly, don't feel bad about reaching out to brands, especially if you're a micro influencer or a small content creator, because you need to put in the work and you need to put yourself out there. Last but not least, you want to know your why. So content creation can be slow at first. You might not see results immediately. And I know there are people who go viral overnight, but that's very unlikely to happen. For me, I had to put in work for the first few months or even a year before I started getting monetized. But what keeps me going is remembering why I started. For me, it was the freedom to travel, to work on something creative, and work on something that I'm actually passionate about. There will be a moment where you second guess yourself or you start comparing yourself with other creators, but that's why setting a certain goals for yourself really help. Instead of just aiming to go viral, you can set a more realistic goals like posting consistently. So you can post either one video or even 3 videos per week consistently. So if you're sitting there and thinking, I only have few hundreds followers, no brands would work with me. This is your sign to start anyway. Build your portfolio, learn how to make high quality content, pitch yourself to the brand, and you never know who's watching. And if you want to start playing around and create content, make sure to check out elevate.io. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something from this video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!